Hey everyone, I'm Dave with Beastmade Reviews, the channel dedicated to quality at different price points. Today I wanted to do a real quick video on this real quick. This is a mystery box by Discmania. Now, if you watched my video on summer game changers, you know that I really like playing disc golf, and Ewan, my son here, has been playing with me, and Eliana has been a little bit, but Ewan and I go out a lot. Discmania is one of my favorite disc companies. There's many out there, and I have a whole video coming about discs coming soon, so stay tuned for that. But in the meantime, I wanted to do this real quick. Discmania, really great company. They started in Europe, and they have a lot of really cool plastics they use from other companies, a lot of cool molds. I just really kind of resonated with their molds. So they have they have some mystery boxes. They do different runs of them throughout the year. This is the first of one of the more recent runs they did here in December, and this is I got the small box. I got two small boxes, so we want to do an unboxing on camera of what we got here. So why don't you guys introduce yourselves?
My name is Eliana Morella Johnson.
Yeah, what's your name?
My name is Ewan McCrae Johnson, and I'm 1 year older than her.
And I'm older than him. No, younger than him, and he's older than me.
Yeah. So this is the first time we've seen this. We haven't opened this at all. So let's go ahead and open this real quick.
I want to see it.
All right. Now we'll take turns. Okay.
Okay.
We'll take turns. Okay. Gotta get the plastic, huh? Now.
Open it.
Now, apparently, Simon Lizotte and Eagle McMahon, they signed some of the boxes, and I know Simon Lizotte at least put $1 in one of these, which is kind of cool. But let's go ahead and open these. We'll take turns getting the discs here.
Let me see it.
All right. The first disc is paper. Okay, here's just the mystery. Ooh, I see some good ones already. Hold on.
Okay.
Here's the little paper here. It's just talking about the mystery box. This one is called their active mystery box, which I think has a disc made of their active plastics. Their active plastics are kind of their really economical line that I think are about $9 a disc, which is insane. They have a new type of plastic that apparently is coming out, so I think this is based on that. The next one that I think came out a week after this, or a few days after this, was the artist one, and I kind of wish I got that one too. Here, Eliana, look away and then grab a disc. No, don't look. Oh, okay. Look away and grab a disc. Ooh. Okay, show them what you got.
I don't know what this is.
It's a PD2 and a really cool.
I think it's a putter. It's a power driver.
Power driver, yeah. And what'd you get? The Instinct.
I got a fairway driver.
Is that a fairway driver?
It says right here.
Oh, you're right. The Instinct.
And it
Evolution plastic.
And it has a little paper on mine anyway.
So I don't have a lot of discs from Discmania. I have about 3 or 4. So all of these are probably going to be new to me. But I'm really excited about these. I love this pink. And I've been wanting the
I want that
Evolution plastic. This is an X out logo, if you can't see the X there.
I think you would want
cool.
this one, because I would want that one. You was really wanting that one.
Okay, that one, the PD2 power driver. This is in their C-line plastic. Ooh, that's going to be nice.
Wait, let me
Can't
feel
wait.
this one.
The Instinct. This is the
one.
Evolution plastic, I think. It's a different type of plastic. All right, so
I just
those
dug
two.
in there.
Awesome. See, what's this one? Let me do mine real
You're
quick.
gonna get the
Hold
first one.
on. Ooh!
Told you were gonna get the first one.
Look at that.
What?
It's
is
like
that a Jaguar?
It's like a rose or like a champagne type of disc here. Which one is this one? Disc Golf European Open official fundraiser. I don't know what disc this is. I'm not exactly sure. I'm not exactly sure what that is. If anyone knows what this is, let me know down in the comments, because I'm not exactly sure. 175 grams. I love that. It's got a little bobcat in the front. Look at that. All right, so got 2 more in there. Okay, don't look and grab one. Grab one.
I know. I'm gonna get one.
Okay, grab another one.
Guys,
Ooh.
I don't know. I got a putter.
Yes, a
Got
P2 Pro putter, and let's see, a stiff P line. Oh, that feels great. I have a couple of P2s, but I have them in different plastics. I don't have the stiff P2. That feels fantastic. I love that color.
100.
It's like a swirly purple kind of little swirl.
This is a 168, and I'm not sure what this disc is.
Let's see.
Georgia?
So this is a double stamp 168 grams. That's very light. Oh, it's an FD, fairway driver. There's an S-line FD with a double stamp on it. Okay, so it says a jackal on the front there. Pretty cool. And then it's got the trifoil, what is it, the Huck logo? Really cool. Swirly S-line FD. That's really cool. That is going in the bag for sure.
Best of all is the Jolly Rancher.
Look at that.
Where's the Jolly?
We got a little pin too. We got one more here down the bottom. There's a little compartment down the bottom. I don't know if you can see it, where there is a disc. And this one, ooh.
That's a little blue.
It's a putter.
Yes,
No,
this is a putter.
yeah, it's a putter.
This is the new active disc that we were talking about. This is the Sensei putter. And this is in a different plastic. That feels really nice. That's really nice. I love that blue. Man, that is great. All right, we got one more box here. This box was great. This is a great haul right away. So let's go ahead and open the second box here. I am already really thrilled about what we're getting here. If it's anything like the first box, we're gonna get a lot of goodies here.
Here's the second box. You don't know what's inside.
Now these boxes are really cool because these are a great way to kind of get discs that you may not have. You can get limited discs. Some of them are X-outs. You can get some new ones, like the Sensei obviously is a new mold with a new plastic, which is really cool. All right, so there's a paper and then the thing here. All right, so don't look. Grab a disc.
Oh.
Don't look.
Is it okay if I pick two?
No, just one.
Okay, this one.
Ooh, okay.
Wait.
Grab one. Don't look.
I don't know what this is.
Come on. Okay.
It's-
What'd you get, guys?
I got something driver.
Oh, I see what it is.
What?
This is an MD5
Midge driver.
double stamp.
Midge driver.
Yeah, this is an MD5 double stamp with a swirly S line.
And there's another one
Really
of these.
cool.
There's another
Special
one of
edition. That's really neat. I like that a lot.
There's another one.
I see. You can put it in there. Oh, it's got a bead on there. I didn't know the medium ones came with a bead. That's pretty cool. All right. What'd you get?
I'm not.
It
looks
doesn't
like a-
say anything.
It looks like a fairway driver or a driver. Here, sit down. So this is 175 grams P-line FD, and this one is in some kind of double stamp. It looks like there's a lunar rover on there. Okay, so Luna Park, it says. Really cool. Like that a lot. Has a really cool kind of shiny stamp on there. Like that a lot. That's really cool. All right, and so let me get one. Oh, look at that. Just a Discmania one. That's really soft. I like that one a lot. Okay, is this a mid-range? What is this?
It's a putter.
Feels like a, it could be. Is that, yeah, it looks like a putter. All right, so yeah, Ewan was right. This is a putter. This is a C-Line P3X. It's got the bead on there. That feels good. Feel that. Really flat. Now, okay, we got 3 left. Okay, just grab one, don't look. Grab one, don't look. Don't look. All right, ooh. Okay,
Oh, the best thing is that another Jolly
you
Rancher.
should get one.
Oh, this is great.
I got a PRO putter.
Pro putter, you got a P2 and the stiff P line again. We got a different
This
colored
is
P line. The yellow one, like that one a lot too. I actually like the yellow more than the purple.
And we got more candy.
Got more candy,
This
another
is-
pin.
This
What'd you
is a distance
Sit down.
driver.
Ooh, let's see. DDX. Ooh,
smooth.
man, look at that. Got the foil stamp on there. Oh, that's sick. We're gonna be throwing that today, aren't we? All right, and last one. Another Sensei.
Wait, that's the same one.
It is. From looking at some of the other unboxings, I knew we were going to get a Sensei. We got 2 with the same color, which is awesome.
We have
Anyway.
2 as the same one.
All right, so let's go over all the stuff we got real quick here. 2 Senseis in the active premium plastics. DDX driver in that nice fluorescent candy pink looking thing. Oh, that's awesome. 2 P2s in stiff P-line plastic. Purple and yellow, those are great. Then a P3X, and I like that stamp a lot. I like that color a lot. Man, that looks great. P3X, like that. And then a FD, a P-line FD with a double stamp. Then an S-line FD with another double stamp, like that a lot. Special edition MD5 with a S-line swirly plastic. That feels great. A PD2 and C-line plastic. An Instinct fairway driver. And then this special edition driver, I think it's a driver, not exactly sure. We'll throw it and see how it does, but that looks great too. So yeah, that is all we got. What else did we get?
And we got these two. I don't know what they are called.
They're pins.
They're pins. And we got $2 wrenches. Were on my favorite. Daddy said I could eat them later.
And that's all the discs we've got.
Yeah.
That is all we have. Let us know what you think of these. We really like doing these unboxings. We might be able to do some more in the future if you like them. And stay tuned for our video on discs, which will be definitely featuring some of these in that video. So stay tuned for that. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you next time.
Thank you. Bye.
See you later. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned. Bye.